So we are going to draw some shapes that are tangled together. At your table, you are going to get some tracers like this. And the way that you use a tracer is you hold it down with one hand and you take your pencil and you slowly trace inside of the shape. And we are going to overlap our shapes. So we're going to put one over the other so that they get tangled up. And you're going to fill your paper with tangled up shapes. You don't want to do too much overlapping because if you do too much, it'll get too crazy in there. There's going to be a shape tracer similar to this at everybody's table that you can use as well. But this one, I only have a few of them, so you're going to have to share. Okay? And once you have filled up your whole paper and all of your shapes are overlapping and tangled up, then what you're going to do is you're going to use a black marker and you're going to trace those pencil lines that you made. And you see how I don't have too many shapes, but I have enough so that I am filling up the space really well. That's what you're looking for. So you don't want to go too crazy with them. Just make sure that you are filling up all of that space in your picture. And they can even go off the page a little bit. So like when I trace this circle, I don't see the whole circle, but I see part of it here. Okay? And I'm again making sure that all of the space in my picture is filled up with shapes. Then here's my black marker. And I'm going to carefully and slowly trace over these lines. And I'm going to trace all of them. And then when I'm done tracing them, I'm going to use an eraser and I'm going to erase any lines that I can still see that are drawn in pencil. Okay, so like right here I missed a little bit when I was tracing, so I would erase that pencil line. Once I have done that, then I'll be ready to color.
Inside the shape?
Yep, you're going to color inside and outside of the shapes. Okay, so I'm going to take my eraser. I'm going to erase those few little pencil lines I can still see right there. Now, when I color, you're going to color in a special way because you're not just going to color in the whole shape, okay? Because they're overlapping and they're tangled up, we're going to color in the new shapes that we made by overlapping them. So like this shape right here might be this color, but then this shape here will be a different color. You don't want to have any of the shapes that are touching be the same color.
Why?
So that you can really see all those new fun shapes that we made. Okay. You're going to do your very best coloring so that you don't have any white space, and then you're also going to color in the space around the shape. So all this space in here as well when you're done.